we're at Stir Crazy. It's Jenna. Today we're gonna be feeding animals. Let's go.
How did they get in there?
I guess this rooster wants to be a goat today.
He lost his friend.
Hello, buddy. Why is he here? Don't worry, we'll get him out later. Molly loves it when I pet her, especially if she knows she's gonna get food. We usually start by feeding the goats first. That's Petey the peacock. This is Trigger the ram. We feed him alfalfa, which is kind of like hay. This is Shaq. He eats alfalfa too. He also gets vitamins from grain. We mix it with his food. We feed all the animals twice a day. This is us trying to get the rooster out. I was trying to distract Trigger. Molly wasn't sure about all the excitement. Now it's time to feed the chickens.
Okay.
Okay, are we also... We managed to free the rooster. This is me collecting the eggs.
Drop it right there.
Now it's time to feed Petey.
Okay, now walk away.
He's so pretty. Always have to make time to hoop. And look, Petey's in the background. Our chores are all done now. I'm gonna stay here and pet Ting. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.